to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I installed the super cute mini twist using Kinky bulk hair from QVR. So this is the package that the hair comes in. This is the color 30. The length is 14 inches. Again, this is the Afro Kinky bulk human hair. So let me show you what the hair looks like. I got 3 packs. I have a small piece of the 3rd pack left. This is what the hair looks like. Super soft, fluffy, natural. Separating it is super easy. Just pull it apart like this and then feed it into your hair. Absolutely love the color, the hair. These mini twists have been up for about a week and a half now. So I'm gonna give you a 360. So again, they've been up a week and a half. Maintenance is super low. I literally put my bonding on. Give myself scalp massages every couple of days. I do spray it with my Camille Rose, with the mint mister that they have. And that's pretty much it. When I first installed them, I just left the hair as is. And then a few days ago, I decided to add some curls to the ends. So I'll show you how I did that. But this is my second time doing twists with this QVR hair. I'll link the first video up above. First time I did a combination of 1B and 30. This time I did just strictly 30. Absolutely love their Afro Kinky bulk hair. It's absolutely amazing. Definitely recommend it. I'll link all the information for the hair in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. But let's get into this tutorial. enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about these twists in the comment section below. I will do some different styles with these twists, so that video will be coming up, so stay tuned. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.